Chicken is marinated simply with lemon juice, salt, pepper, and olive oil. It's baked and then doused with Za'atar spice and baked again. Today on Cravings Food Adventures, we're making Zaatar chicken wings. A couple of weeks ago, I had a few friends over and I decided to just throw this together, and the result was so delicious that this is now a thing. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. Let's start with 3 pounds of chicken wings. I'm going to add the juice of half a lemon. Add salt and pepper to taste. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and I'm going to give this a good mix. I'm going to place this on a baking tray and bake these for 1 hour at 350 degrees. You can also air fry these, deep fry them, or barbecue. Once cooked, sprinkle with half a cup of za'atar all over the wings and mix. Za'atar is found in most Middle Eastern stores. It's a combination of oregano, thyme, sumac, and toasted sesame seeds. I like to stick this back in the oven for 10 minutes just to toast the za'atar and allow it to bake onto the chicken. Once that's done, this is ready to serve. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Za'atar chicken wings. It's such a simple recipe, but it packs so much flavor. If you loved my video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Also, follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.